Hey everyone, so if you have a 2002 to 2005 Ford Explorer 4.0 V6, here's a little fix for you if you have some squeaking going on and you already tried the belt. So something you should always check for is obviously the idler pulley. So I took my belt off and spun it and was listening for sound. You don't want to confuse it for the ringing sound. So you want to be soft when you spin it. But anyways, I heard some sort of whisking sound from it, so I knew that was bad. Also, it had a little bit of play in it, so I got my fresh one here. I got the SKP brand. It's not my favorite brand, but I went with it. So here's your fresh one. This one's all good. I'm gonna throw this in, and then it's gonna get rid of that stupid annoying squeak we have whenever we accelerate. I forget if it's audible on the outside, but I can definitely hear it on the inside. So maybe this will help y'all out if you have a squeaking and you already placed your belt. So it's just this idler pulley, 15 mil. I used my socket there, ratchet, and then an adjustable wrench because of the slimness of it. Helps you get down there. So yeah, hopefully that helps somebody out.